Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since actually it doesn't really matter if we will be on the photo or on the video mode, we have to simply enter the general options, general settings, which are in the right upper corner. Now we have to scroll down to the general section, and on the third position we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got actually 4 different options from which we can choose. So right now the timer is off, but we can set to 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 5 seconds delay, and as you can see, you have to simply tap on it. Right now it is notified here, which means that from now on your device will use the timer. So let's go back, and actually nothing appeared right here. I mean, we cannot actually check here that we've got the timer, but let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 5, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, we can turn it off the same way. Just enter the settings, tap on the timer, and of course you can set 2 or 10 seconds delay also. So it will work the same, but simply will count down from 10 or 2. And we can turn it off just by tapping on this option. And as you can see, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.